So turnbuckles are an important part of shade sail installation. This is how we get our tension on the shade sail. These are 12mm jaw turnbuckles, and these are engineered turnbuckles. They have a load of 5,000 kilograms. Now, because they're 316 stainless, the most important thing is to lubricate the turnbuckles, and it's a process. I'm going to show you just how to do that, and here's how I do it. It's a little bit slow, but unless you do it, it takes a long time to reset the turnbuckles. You'll notice I'm wearing gloves. This stuff gets into every pore of your skin, so I wear gloves. So I've lubricated the threads, now I completely wind them out. Okay, it's at this point I put the spring washer on. I found that spring washers are very important for turnbuckles. It just keeps them tight. And then I give the turnbuckle thread another good lube, like that. And I screw it back in, just to take in the body of the thread. I wipe all this excess off because this can get on your shade sail. And this is why gloves are really handy. I then remove put the pins in my bag so I'm ready, and when I'm up the ladder. So now I just repeat that process for all the turnbuckles. To mark point A with the tag. I'm happy. Shade sail nice and tight. Just going to wipe off that excess lube now. You can see that, we don't need that. And we're going to tension up our, I could give it just another twist maybe. There we go, I'm not going any more than that. Put that on there. This is where our turnbuckle, our spring washers come into play.